Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R6525. In this video we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R6525. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, well, let's hop in. This video is going to be specifically dedicated to power supplies. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to talk about the different wattages that you can use, or what are your options there. We're going to show you how many power supplies are in the back, and then we're going to show you how to install them, which is super easy because they're essentially a hot swap, so it just pops in and out. So this will be one of the quickest videos in our series. Let's get into it. So what wattages can I use? Well, Dell has an 800 watt platinum, 1100 watt titanium, and a 1400 watt platinum. So those are going to be the three options that you can use. How many power supplies are there? Well, this one's pretty obvious. You can just look in the back of your machine, but there are two power supplies. The main reason I want to bring this up is they do need to be the same. That's really the only key to this. You can't take an 800 watt and throw it in with an 1100 watt. You can't take 1100 watt, throw it in with a 1400 watt, or they just need to be the same. That's it. So it's pretty simple. So if one of yours goes down, you have a bad one, and you're worried about your machine going down because you're down to one and you need something overnighted, you can definitely hit us up. We keep spare power supplies in stock, and yes, we can overnight. So email our sales team at sales@cloudninjas.com, and we can definitely help you with overnighting a power supply.
Hey, it's Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I will be showing you guys how to install your power supplies into your Dell PowerEdge R6525 server. So we have our power supply here, and as you can see, there is an orange tab here, and that will help let you know when the power supply is fully inserted into the server, and it'll help you remove the power supply if needed. Let's go ahead with installing this one by inserting it into this opening. Push it all the way in until you see this orange tab click into place. And that'll let you know that the power supply is fully installed. And if you need to remove it, you'll just push the orange tab and pull towards you to uninstall the power supply. So now let's go ahead and insert the second one over here, making sure we watch the orange tab and making sure it clicks into place. You've done it. You have successfully installed your power supplies into your Dell PowerEdge R6525 server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, Gigabyte, we also do ASRock, Asus. We do it all, both new and refurbished. So give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.